Namaste yogis, ready to come into forearm stand? Let's begin. So first things first, let's see the types of forearm stands. There are two types of forearm stands, Scorpio, which is also known as Vrishchikasana in Sanskrit, and Feathered Peacock, which is known as Pincha Mayurasana. So yogis, this is Vrishchikasana. So in this forearm stand, your head is extended forward and you're trying to look up as high as possible. To begin with, your gaze can be in between the palms of your hands, and once you're more comfortable, then you can try to lift the head further up and shift the gaze forward. The position of legs is bent, so legs are bent and they are going towards the head. Now I am not very flexible, but people who are very flexible, they can even keep their feet on the head. So this is Scorpio. We'll learn in a bit how to come into Scorpio. Second type of forearm stand is Pincha Mayurasana. This is the position of your body. Your body is absolutely straight and look at the head position. So in first variation, you're gazing in between your elbows. And in the second variation, your head comes in line with your body and you're looking behind. Both the variations, body is in straight line. The only difference is in the gaze. Yogis, Pincha Mayurasana is fantastic to develop core and pelvic floor strength. Now let's see all the steps to come into these forearm stands. Okay yogis, so you sit in Vajrasana by the wall and from here measure your elbows and place your hands on the mat and open your hands. Now yogis, from here it's very important to know that you have to keep your elbows really locked. So once you go up in forearm stand, elbows tend to go out like this and you have to prevent that. So you keep your elbows absolutely locked. So you first measured your elbows and then this distance you're maintaining it in a forearm stand, and that is both for Vrishchikasana and Pincha Mayurasana. Now if your palms also try to slide in when you come into forearm stand, it's okay, let them go in, that's not the problem. We'll start from here. Palms trying to go in is okay, but elbows trying to go out is not okay, so you have to keep them locked. And once you're very firm, very stable with your arm positioning, arm alignment, then all you have to do is just go up, lift up and start walking on the wall slowly, one step at a time, and just go to the wall. And all you have to do is just look in front, look back, look at your right side, left side, walk down, walk up, and just get your body or your mind used to this forearm balance. Now this step one is very important because initially if you have never done forearm stand before, then your mind is not used to this asana, and that's why your mind doesn't know where to apply the pressure or which body parts you have to apply the pressure, which muscles to contract to stay stable in forearm stands. So step one will prepare your mind for this amazing balance, and once your mind is used to the idea of staying in forearm stand, then it will know which muscles to engage, how to stay more longer in forearm stand, and then we can move to step 2. Okay yogis, let's come to step 2 now. So sit in front of the wall and place your hands at one forearm distance. Once you're there, just measure your elbows, place them on the ground and open your hands in a forearm position. And once you're ready, then all you have to do yogis here is jump into forearm stand. So wall is there to support you and you just jump into forearm stand straight away. So both your legs are comfortably placed on the wall. And first of all, let's try to come into Vrishchikasana. So for Scorpio, walk your legs more down and try to lift your upper head higher. So you're curving your back here. So there's a curve in the back, and once you're here, try to take your one leg off the wall. Stay here, then try to take the other leg off the wall. And that's how you practice Vrishchikasana. And we'll try same thing with Pincha Mayurasana. So you walk your legs this time slightly higher and just try to take your one leg off the wall, but this time try to straighten your body. It's difficult to straighten your body completely here, but still give it a try just to get the feel of Pincha Mayurasana. And now you can try same thing with the other leg. So you take this leg down back at the wall and other leg straight. Try to keep it in line with your body, and from here come out of the posture.
3. Again, measure your elbows, place them here and open, keeping your elbows absolutely locked. Jump into forearm stand. Now you guys, this time whatever you're trying to do, Vrishikasana or Pinch Mayurasana, so we took one leg up, we took one leg off the wall in step 2. Now try to take the other leg also off the wall. You may fall here, it's okay, keep on trying. Fall here, it's okay. And you will see after some time or after a few days of practice, you will be able to maintain this. Be it pinch straight or be it Scorpio, you will be able to maintain both the asanas without the wall support. And it's important to do this with the wall, because in case you fall, there's a wall to support you here. But in case you're falling on the leg, you guys be very careful. If you fall here, just fall down with one straight leg. Because if you fall down with soft knees with both the legs, then you may hurt your knees very bad. So if you're falling, just one leg straight down. That's it, simple.